Pwede joke.
Hindi na magbibigo sa atin, okay? So, pay attention.
High card, very famous card. Pwede ito kasi may signature. Pwede ito kasi mababa sa puso yun. Pwede ito kasi ito yung pinakawalang significant na ito mababa. So, pick any card. Just pick one. Good.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, so, round 3 na ulit tayo.
Joker.
Reminder lang sa
Did you have a second?
Reminder lang sa rules. I'm gonna mention
If you were to have a second choice.
for the first and then merong isigaw ng bingo. Pwede mo
If I ask you to pick which one, which one?
maka-apat. First naman makasigaw ng bingo after I mention 4 numbers.
Which of the cards do you
will
like?
get this Google t-shirt. Okay? Okay?
Take that out. Now,
Okay.
you're down to 3 cards.
Ayun po. Kailangan na natin. Sorry. First number.
You can take that out.
Son.
Pick one. Queen.
Hindi gawin ng bingo. Lalakad kayo pupunta dito.
We have here.
Kung pwede rin kayo mag-bingo kung gusto nyo. Pero,
Both of
lakad na lang.
your cards
Okay.
would be odd. Well,
First number,
we don't know what the joke is.
21.
When I said both of your cards would be odd, I meant
21.
2, 3, 4. They are blue back cards.
67.